Has psoriasis made your living difficult and stressful? Have you been surrounded by disappointments with the spread of psoriasis flare-ups on your body? Are you also in doubt that your psoriasis will never go away and you will have to live like this with flaky skin, itching and redness on the different areas of your body? If you think so, you are absolutely wrong. Psoriasis is treatable and you will get the healthy skin again that you once had. Yes, it is possible with just holistic and natural care with no steroids, no chemicals and no medicated lotions or creams. Yes, you can treat your psoriasis with natural management and an anti-inflammatory diet. See, this anti-inflammatory diet is like backbone of your psoriasis treatment. Unless you include the right foods, you will not get the complete relief from your condition. So diet is something that helps reduce inflammatory marks in the body and directs your immune system to function correctly. So what you need to follow, you will discuss this in today's video. So please stick with it until the end. Hello and a very warm good morning to all our viewers. I am Dr. Madhvi Vash from Bharat Homeopathy. And today I will discuss 5 best tips to treat psoriasis with no pills and lotions. So let's begin with our first tip. It's an anti-inflammatory diet. Yes, a healthy and anti-inflammatory diet is no less than a medicine. You are what you eat. You heard it right. A healthy diet full of nutrition is proven to lessen your psoriasis symptom. Your diet should contain a proper balance of vitamins, especially the B vitamins, minerals, especially zinc, copper and selenium, protein containing all amino acids and antioxidants. You must consume foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids such as walnuts, flax seeds, chia seeds. Adding omega-3 fatty acid to your diet regime shows a major improvement in various autoimmune conditions. See, along with following an anti-inflammatory diet, you need to remove all allergens like dairy products, citrus fruits like oranges, berry and lemons. You should also cut down on animal protein. You can include plant-based proteins like soy, lentils and leafy greens. Green leafy veggies. Yes, a great dietary options to give a boost of various vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. Green leafy veggies are full of fibers that support your gut health and good microbiome. And good gut health is linked with better skin condition. You can even add some probiotics for better gut health. Now, the second tip is to add vitamin D. Vitamin D is an enemy of psoriasis and autoimmune disorders. See, vitamin D3 is not only a vitamin that helps in calcium absorption, but it is more of it. Vitamin D3 is actually a pre-hormone, meaning it has many key roles in body functions. It regulates your immune system, cardiovascular system, endocrine system, and other metabolic functions. I would like to share some studies with you. A study published in the Journal of American Academy of Dermatology indicates that vitamin D deficiency is common in patients with psoriasis. While there is also another study published in Dermatology and Therapy 2020, which suggests vitamin D therapy helps manage psoriasis. Even the British Skin Foundation suggests the daily intake of sunlight for 10 to 15 minutes for lighter skin and 25 to 40 minutes can help you with psoriasis condition. Now, the third tip is to practice mindfulness activities and deep breathing exercises like alternate nostril breathing, doing regular breathing exercises and performing meditation can drastically drop your stress level. Stress is a major cause of psoriasis, which can affect your psoriasis condition. Reducing your stress level can benefit you in maintaining an overall healthy life by lowering inflammatory markers. The fourth tip is to remove alcohol and reduce the intake of table salt and refined sugars. Liver is a detoxifying organ and heavy drinking damages the liver. And since psoriasis is linked with liver stress like fatty liver or hepatitis risk, alcohol can worsen both conditions. You can add other drinks which will improve your skin health and reduce psoriasis flare-ups. You can drink chamomile tea, herbal tea and marigold tea. Now the fifth is what you should apply to your psoriasis flare-ups. It's not salicylic acid and coal tar shampoo and clobetasol lotion. You need to apply a mixture of fresh aloe vera gel, neem leaves paste and coconut oil for an hour and rinse with natural herbal shampoo or soap. See, steroids like clobetasol and methotrexate may cause severe side effects. Now, I think you need to add a holistic medicine that will neither irritate you nor your system. Yes, it's possible. You can get over your psoriasis with Bharat Homeopathic treatment. We at Bharat Homeopathy prescribe a personalized and customized treatment according to your constitution and symptoms. Your psoriasis needs a holistic treatment, not a symptomatic one, and Bharat Homeopathy fills that gap. It targets the root cause, works on your constitution, and boosts your mood and energy. So, if you or your loved one is struggling with psoriasis, then this video might help them. If you found my video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will never miss an update. Thank you so much.